Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the pound dollar, overall, I am definitely still very bullish. I still think this is going to go up on the monthly time frame. Most likely eventually go up and take out these highs. I still think the 161 area, the 161 Fibonacci extension is a very likely area for this to possibly end this uptrend. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we definitely have been drifting down for several weeks now, which is why I'm still primarily looking for sorts. I still think we're already in a wave three, and I think this is just a subdivision of the wave three, like a one of three, a two of three, and eventually probably continue back up for that wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Technically on the daily time frame, we definitely have been making lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. I definitely am looking for shorts because I do trade like the 1 to 4 hour time frame. So for me personally, I definitely am trading along with the daily time frame and still looking for shorts. Now I do suspect that maybe this is a B C D E, and maybe this hold right here, this low right here will actually hold, and that maybe it will go up. But until I see a nice significant break of starts to the outside, I definitely will be a seller on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. I'm still looking at this move up as a possible correction. I'm still looking at the Fibonacci retracement levels for possibly an engulfing move to the downside and another sorting opportunity. Like I said, until the higher time frames, like the daily time frame and up, tell me that it's time to start looking for longs, which they definitely have not done so yet. For me, trading the 1 to 4 hour time frame, I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we've definitely been going up for the last few days, and ever since it made a higher low and a break of structure, I mean, a scalper, if you are trading like the 1 5 minute, 15 minute time frame, you definitely could be looking for longs, at least until you see the end of this correction on like the 1 to 4 hour time frame. But like I always say, for me, I trade like the 1 to 4 hour time frame. So for me, I am definitely still looking for shorts. I'm looking for a nice big engulfing move down at a Fibonacci level to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. I'd like to see a nice three-way pattern, A, B, and C. I'd like to see a nice Fibonacci bounce, nice engulfing move to the downside, and if it does break structure, that's going to give it even a higher probability of being a good setup to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.